Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to learn about how we can automate the slider in Selenium. So we are again going to use actions class because again it has like inbuilt method that can actually help the sliding of any web element in Selenium. So let's do the implementation. I'm going to set up my Chrome driver using WebDriver manager, and then going to create object of my WebDriver. And for the demo purpose I'm going to use this website. So I'm just copying this URL. Let me paste here. And after that, I'm again going back to the browser and let's inspect these elements. So if you see this element, it is basically inside our div. So I'm going to just copy this ID and I'm going to say /star @ID and then /span. So we have the object, or you can say locator value for that particular web element. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to create a web element, say slider element driver dot find element by xpath. Okay, and now if you go back again to the browser and if you just scroll up, you can actually see that particular element, this particular slide bar is again as part of iframe, who has a class name as demo frame. So again we have to go inside the iframe first, then only we can perform the sliding action. So I just copy the class name, and before this line I have to switch to that iframe driver dot switch to, and I have to pass the web element. So right now we are in the iframe and we have the element reference or instance for that particular slider, and now I'm going to create actions class object, and it needs like a driver, so I'm just going to pass my driver object. So let's do the operation now. Actions dot, I'm going to use this method, says drag and drop by, and if you see, it basically takes a source element and then input offset as x offset and the y offset. So the web element we are going to slide is slider element, and right now we are doing the sliding of that slide bar on a horizontal, or you can say an x-axis. So we have to pass the x offset as 200 maybe. As we are not doing sliding on a y vertical or y offset, so we are just going to pass it as 0 and just say build dot perform. So this perform is again going to perform all chain of actions. So I'm just going to call perform and then going to quit the driver. And before this action I'm going to add some weight so that we can actually see the action being performed. Import this and again going to add some weight. Okay, so let's run the script. So the browser will launch and it should went to that URL. See carefully. Yeah, so it slided that particular web element by 200 offset that we provided. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.